Hey guys, 10K really on the way. I'm trying to like make it look aesthetic, but it kind of look whack. But yeah, oh guys, oh my gosh, God. Say hi. Oh my goodness, this is insane. What the heck? So that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh my gosh. I don't even wanna go on my actual channel and see the 10K. Aww. First of all, I wanna thank God because I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for God. I wanna thank my mom. I wanna thank like my friends, I guess. Like, hey everyone, so today is Sunday the 13th and today is a study day, yay. So I literally just finished up cleaning my room, so my sheets are like in the wash, so ignore my bed. And then I cleaned up the rest of my room and I made a cup of robust tea because what other tea would I be drinking? Guys, when I tell you I don't have any energy right now, but today is obviously Sunday and I have an economics assessment on Monday, which is tomorrow. We're gonna be productive today. I don't have my iPad actually because my sister borrowed my iPad. So but this is our study little area. This is what it's looking like, and we're gonna get studying because I don't have time to joke today. Like, you all ain't gonna hear me joke. Yes, I am cramming. Yes, it is last minute. Yes, I'm gonna pass the exam. So yeah. Did you ever wonder? Do you ever wonder what he might be going through on his own end? The demons that he's facing alone. I hate that sometimes I can't go home and it just ain't the same on the phone. But everybody's gotta go, don't they? Yes, we do. So if you need a hero, just into July when I see her. So if you need a hero, just look in the mirror. No one's gonna save you now, so you better save yourself. And everybody's hurting, everybody's going through it, but you just can't give up now, cause you gotta save yourself. Yeah, I gotta hang on. The sun will come out. YouTube sent me like PR, and let me show you guys. It's so cute and little. Look guys, and they sent me this little card type thing, and guess what's inside? Guys, YouTube freaking customized M&Ms. The heck? No, look. Guys. How cute is that? These will kind of fall to like the brim. I've been munching these up. Me and my family. If anyone knows me, you know how much I love M&M so much. Like, anyway, it's so cool like getting sent packages by like YouTube. Like you can store anything in here pretty much. It's really cute. It's like my little snack. I've been making flashcards for economics. Flashcards are a really good way to get like precise information onto something small that I can just carry around with me, so like I can read these like in the morning or whatever, other than like pulling out this whole big book, which is I think really good. So now I think do Quizlet flashcards on my phone. Like I said, I don't have my iPad now, so life is looking rough, but I'm gonna do Quizlet flashcards on my phone. And I just opened my like where my teacher sent my assignments, and I just remembered that I missed an assignment last week, so now I have to do it. After this, I wanna do my personal statements for my university applications, like college applications. So yeah, I want to do marketing if I go to uni. Guys, do you want to see like how much of a good student I am? Like, can't see them. So this was my essay that I wrote. Period. Okay, like my teacher marked it. Period. Turns out I actually had 2 assignments due in because I missed last week's, and then I have economics tomorrow, so there was one due in for tomorrow, and I just finished doing that, so I'm gonna upload it, and then I think that's all we have to do for today. Like, my brain is, yeah, deteriorating as we speak. I'm gonna put my stuff together and I'm gonna make some food. Guys, we're gonna watch Outer Banks because I've actually slacked on watching Outer Banks. It came out on Thursday and I rushed home to watch it, and I watched the first like 2 or 3 episodes, but child, I have not had time. Like yesterday I went to a Lauryn Hill concert, but yeah, I'll probably have like hash browns and chicken nuggets because at the same time it's like I don't have energy to my family isn't doing Sunday course today, so like, I mean, we're doing it tomorrow instead, but I don't want to do it today, but it's fine. Guys, so I'm officially going to bed because it is currently, I literally left y'all when it was, I don't know what time, it's 8:47 and I'm going to bed. Yes, I do sleep at like 9 p.m. Because like I love my sleep. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now. I hope you guys enjoyed this little study vlog. You know, I got the bonnet on. It's time to go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love you all so much.